All right. First pack. Good luck, everybody. Base. We have for Colorado, Matt Duchene, MVP scripts. Nice hit. Circle them off. And base. Base. We have for the Oilers a Philip Cornett, Young Guns. Nice hit there for the Oilers. And base. And base. We have a Stephen Weiss for the Panthers Upper Deck Canvas. Nice hit for Florida. And base. Base. And base. Base. We have for the Islanders Dennis Potvin, 1970 Hockey Heroes. That's a nice one there. And base. And base. I love how some of these cards just rip. You always want to be gentle. And base. We have for Philly, Claude Giroux, MVP scripts. Nice hit for Philly. And base. And base. We have for the Islanders a Casey Cizikas, Young Guns. Another good one for the Islanders. and base and base. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 and base. Last pack of the upper deck. Base, 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 and base. Okay, let's get into Pinnacle. And checklist. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24 packs altogether. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Box is empty. And good luck to everybody on that. Pack number 1. Base, 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 decoy, base, and base. Base, 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 base. We have a Ryan Clove for San Jose. Breakthrough. And base, base, and base. Base, 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 base. We have, for the Oilers, Antoine Lander. Rookie, 6. We got that knocked off. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 base. bass, 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 bass. And bass, 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 bass. We have for the Hurricanes, Justin Falk, rookie mosaics. Nice card there. Bass, bass, and bass. Bass, 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 bass. We have a Rob Ray from Buffalo, Tough Times. It's a nice hit. And bass, bass, and bass. Bass, 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 and bass. Bass, 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 bass. From Philly, we have Matt Reed, rookie mosaics. It's nice. Philly's already knocked down. Bass, bass, and bass. Bass, 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 bass. We have from Dallas, Louis Erickson, breakthrough. That's for the Dallas Stars there. And bass, bass, and bass. Bass, 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 and bass. Bass, bass, bass.